Just a minute. Just a minute. Wait for just 1 minute. Probably you are there. You see, one by one, you are getting the values. At first 11, first node, then second one, third one, fourth one, by simply starting from PTR, start, and one by one you check by just mentioning PTR is equal to start, followed by PTR info. You can check PTR info. If you want to search a particular value, say you want to search 14. So what you do, you give a while loop. Within this, you write PTR info not equal to val. That means what we are doing within the while loop, PTR is equal to PTR next. That means PTR will be shifted to next node. When PTR info not is equal to val, val means 14. You are searching for 14. So 11 is not 14, PTR is equal to PTR next. 12 is not 14, PTR is equal to PTR next. 13 is not 14, PTR is equal to PTR next. Okay? Here, you get the 14, so you abort the loop. So, searching is completed. You see, a complex condition is given. PTR info not is equal to val and PTR link not equal to null. Why this one is given? See, if you give only PTR info not is equal to val, PTR is equal to PTR next. So when your PTR reach here, say your PTR reach here, and your value say 21. 21 is not 15, PTR is equal to PTR next. So here it will get confused, it will get null, it will get confused. What to do? If you get null, then what to do? The program will simply crash. You don't know what to do. Okay? Got it? Hello? So that's why PTR link not equal to null, PTR next not equal to null, this condition is attached. Okay. You see, after that what is written? If PTR info is equal to val, that means your PTR is here. If you set your value is 14, it is not 14, PTR shifted, it is not 14, PTR shifted, it is not 14, PTR shifted. When it is here, it matches with the value, it comes to the this one. Here you see PTR info is equal to val. Yes, PTR info is equal to val. Search item found and exit. So you display search item found in the list. Otherwise, item not found you have given. Is it correct? What do you think? Why this otherwise print item not found is given? Can you tell me? See, PTR not is, say value is 21. So 11 is not 21, PTR shifted. Not 21, PTR shifted. Not 21, PTR shifted. Now PTR shifted here. Lastly. Now you see PTR info not is equal to val and PTR link PTR info not is equal to val. This one is okay. True. Then this one is checked. If this is false, first condition is false, then it is automatically gets out of the loop. But it will be in the loop. First condition is true and PTR link not equal to null. You see PTR link is equal to null. Then this condition is false, true and false, condition false, then it comes out of the loop. Otherwise, it will not come out of the loop. Okay. You see, when this condition occurs, PTR comes out, this one comes out of the loop. What you see? Here is your PTR. You are checking PTR info is equal to val or not. Okay, PTR is not equal to value. You are giving item not found. Okay. Get my point? Any doubt about it? Hello. Okay. Go to next. Traversing in a linked list. Now traversing. Traversing is very simple thing. From first node to last node, just move and check the values. If it is required, you process that values. So you start from here. Just a minute. Just a minute. Huh. Huh. You see, you see, traversing. You just start from here, go one by one. PTR is equal to start from first node, go up to the last node. PTR link not equal to null. Each time you process that node value. So how you can get? Process the item PTR info. So PTR info, this value you process. After process, you just shift to next one. After processing, so after adding 5, you go to next one. They again add 5, next one, until you get null. Okay, any problem with this? Any doubt? Okay. Counting of nodes in a list. So counting of nodes, how to do counting? You start from here, PTR is equal to start. Along with that, count is equal to 1, you set. You go up to PTR link not equal to null. Or PTR next not equal to null. Go up to this. So here, this is the first node. You add, what you do? PTR link not equal to null. You add a count, PTR is equal to PTR next. So here, count is 2 and PTR is presently here. Then again it goes here, PTR link, that is next not equal to null. Enters, count is 3, count is 3 now, PTR reaches here at 13. Count 3, PTR is equal to PTR. PTR here. So it is link not equal to null. Again count increased by 1, PTR is equal to PTR. PTR reaches here. Now here you see PTR is here, link is not equal to null. So enters to the loop, count is increased by 1, that is 5, PTR is equal to PTR next. So what is the PTR next? Is null. PTR next is null. So it comes out of the loop. Therefore, you get count is equal to 5. So how many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the number of nodes as a count. Clear? Okay. Okay. Just a minute. You see, merging of a linked list. Oof. Merging of a linked list. Two list you want to merge. Two link you want to merge. So two list you want to merge. So what to do? One is started with start one, another is started with start two. So simply you can merge. At first you can keep first list. Either you can keep first list as first. So in case of that, you start your PTR from here, go to the last until null is found. So PTR will be here. Then in PTR next, you write start 2. When PTR will reach here at the last node, you have to write PTR next is equal to start 2. Therefore, a list you will get with the name of start 1. Otherwise, what you can do? Reverse the start 2 list. You can reach from start node to last node. Here you can put the value of start 1, put the start 1. Here PTR. So PTR next, you can write PTR next is equal to start 1. So if you write PTR next is equal to start 1, then if start 1 comes here, so you'll get a total list of start 2. Simple. So you see what is the code? Simple. One pointer is declared PTR. PTR is equal to start 1. Traverse all the nodes of the first list until end of the list is found. So how to get that? Simply write PTR link not equal to null. PTR is equal to PTR. If you write this, you will be at the last node. Why? Why you will be at the last node? You see, at the last node, you will see PTR link is null. Rather, you can say PTR next is equal to null. So PTR will stay here at the last node. Then you write PTR next is start. Merge the second list. So you merge the second list like this. Start is equal to start 2 is equal to start 1. Make the single starting point. Any problem with this? Merging of two list? Hello? Hello, any question?
हाँ सर ठीक है
বেশ বেশ সোজা আছে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই আচ্ছা split in a linked list. So split in a linked list, you see, split in a linked list, You can split the list after a value. You can split after a value, or split after a location. You see, the list contains the value 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We want to split after 13. What to do? We have to start from the first. We have to start from the first. So PTR is equal to start. So we have to reach here at 13. How to reach? While PTR info not equal to val, PTR is equal to PTR next. If I write this, you see, this is not the 13, shift PTR. This is not the 13, shift PTR. Okay, this is 13, get out of the loop. So PTR will be here. Now, what to do? You have to cut this link. You have to cut this link. Then you will get two lists. How to do that? Simply save this address in another variable. Start2. Consider start2. You write simply start2 is equal to PTR next. First write it, then write PTR next is equal to null. So first you assign this PTR next, this 14th address to start2, then write PTR next is equal to null. Then rest of the portion will be cutted out and it will be a second list. Clear? বোঝা গেল? Any queries? You see what is that? PTR is equal to start. From first node, you are starting PTR info while PTR info not is equal to val. You are traversing to the node. PTR is equal to PTR next. So what you do? You have written start2 is equal to PTR next. To save the rest of the list, then put PTR next is equal to null. Simple. Then lastly, you have changed designate first the previous list, that is first portion, as a first list. So start1 is equal to start. Any queries? Any question? No. Hello. Any question? ওকে, চলো পরেরটাতে। তাহলে আফটার এ লোকেশন, সেটাও সিম্পল, জাস্ট লোকেশনটা কাউন্ট করে তুমি পিটিআরটাকে সেট করছো। দেখো অলরেডি এটা তোমরা দেখলে বুঝতে পারবে, এটা আর বলার কিছু নেই। আফটার এ লোকেশনটা কি করে করেছি, একটা লোকেশন কাউন্টার রেখে দিচ্ছি, সেই লক কাউন্ট লেস দেন লক। আমি কি করলাম, ইনিশিয়ালি লোকেশন এটা লোকেশন কাউন্টারকে এক করে ইনক্রিজ করছি and ptr is equal to ptr next until the location reached. এটা করলে তুমি কোথায় পৌঁছে যাবে? ঠিক লোকেশনে পৌঁছে যাবে। তারপরে লোকেশন, once you get the location, the rest of the thing is same. ওই যেটা তোমার start to is equal to ptr next, ptr next is equal to, এটা আর বলার কিছু নেই। ঠিক আছে, এটা কি আর এক্সপ্লেন করতে হবে? Is it needed more explanation or it's okay? হ্যাঁ বলো। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, চলো পরেরটায় চলো তাহলে। Copy of a linked list. Copy of a linked list, দেখো কপি অফ এ লিঙ্ক লিস্ট দুভাবে হতে পারে। ইউ ক্যান ডু ইট ইন টু ওয়েজ। ওয়ান ইজ কপি দ্য পয়েন্টার and copy the list itself. So copy the pointer means you take another pointer, say one pointer is already there, say start, you take another pointer head, right, and written head is equal to start. That means it is like this. Say a list is there, a list is there, here start is there, you have taken this node start, you have taken another one head and written head is equal to start. If you write this, head also point here. So you just copy the pointer, initial pointer. So you can access the list to start as well as with the head. And another one is copy the list itself. Copy the pointer simply, nothing to say. Start, C start means copy start. Next one, copy the elements of the list. So what you do? Copy the elements of the list. In this case, you see C start PTR CPTR, copy pointer. So along with this first list is given to me. We have take, so I want to copy the list total memory with memory we want to copy. That means another piece of memory we need. There will shift the values, a copy. There will shift the copy of these values. These two memories will not be same, and we shift the values. That is copy the values. How it be possible? You see, C start is equal to another, the second list, node star malloc size of node. I have declared, I take a node, PTR is equal to start, then I have set a PTR here, and as well as C star is equal to node start this. That means a node is created with C start. So another, here I have taken CPTR. CPTR is equal to C start. Beginning of the copy list. Just a minute. Let me. Huh. Okay. Just a minute. Is some problem occurs. Okay. Let us complete it very fast. Problem is there in the laptop. You see, PTR is equal to start, CPTR is equal to C start. Beginning of, so while PTR next not equal to null, that means PTR goes up to last node. So what to do from first node? CPTR info, first node info here is equal to PTR info. 11 copied here. Copy the value. Then CPTR link is equal to, that means this link is equal to node star malloc size of node. That means another node is created. Allocate next node. Then CPTR link, CPTR is equal to CPTR link. So CPTR is sent here. PTR also sends here. Now you see PTR next not equal to null. Here not equal to null. You enter into the loop. CPTR info is equal to PTR info. 12 is copied. CPTR link is equal to this new node is created. CPTR is equal to CPTR link, that is CPTR copied here. Sorry, CPTR shifted here. PTR also shifted here. Then again PTR next not equal to, it is not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, enter into the loop, value is copied, 13 is copied. CPTR info is equal to PTR info, 13 is copied. CPTR link, that means from this line, new node is created. After this new node creation, CPTR link, CPTR is shifted here. Then PTR is shifted, update the point. Same way, PTR next not equal to null. Again, this thing is done. 14 is copied. So ultimately, you see PTR is here, CPTR is here. You see, what happened? PTR link equal to null, it will get out of the loop. So what you do? You have to take CPTR link is equal to, you have to write CPTR link is equal to null. Before that, one line you have to write CPTR info is equal to PTR info. Then this 15 will be copied here. Okay. Any queries from this? এটাতে কোনো কোয়েরিজ আছে? হ্যালো,
না স্যার।
আচ্ছা বেশ, তাহলে এরপরে আছে বাবল শট। বাবল শটটা টাইম লাগবে, বাবল শট রিভার্স। এই দুটো একটু কিন্তু টাইম লাগবে, আজকে কিন্তু হবে না। এখানে থাক আজকে, আবার সোমবারে। আজকে
ঠিক
হচ্ছে,
আছে।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
না স্যার, সোমবার 10:30 থেকে তো আবার।
সোমবার ও সোমবার 10th, আর সোমবার তো 15th আগস্ট। তো করবে
15th
ক্লাস
আগস্ট
তোমরা?
সেটাই স্যার।
হ্যাঁ বলো,
স্যার
করবে?
15, স্যার ছুটি না একদিন?
হ্যাঁ ওদিন ছুটি আছে।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
দেখো তোমরা যদি করতে না চাও, না করতে পারো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। বা যদি রাতের বেলার দিকে করতে চাও, রাতের বেলার দিকে করতে পারো। 1 ঘন্টার একটা ক্লাস যদি করতে চাও, করতে পারো। এরকম 1 ঘন্টা 50 মিনিটের ক্লাস করবে। দেখো তোমাদের ইচ্ছা, তোমরা বলবে, এটা নিয়ে আমি ছুটির দিনে আমি তোমাদের কোনো জোর করবো না। ঠিক আছে?
ঠিক আছে স্যার। স্যার আমরা ক্লাস করলে আপনাকে বলে দেবো, মানে
আচ্ছা
আগের
ঠিক আছে,
দিনই।
ঠিক আছে।
ঠিক আছে।
আমি থাকবো, ফাঁকা থাকবো, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। তোমরা বললে আমি ক্লাসটা নিয়ে নিতে পারবো।
ঠিক
ঠিক
আছে।
আছে, রাখছি তাহলে আজকে এই
হ্যাঁ
পর্যন্ত
স্যার,
থাকলো।
ঠিক আছে।
ইয়েটা
থ্যাংক ইউ
স্লাইড দিয়ে দিয়েছি অলরেডি।
স্যার।
হ্যাঁ,
স্লাইডটা স্যার এখনো আসেনি স্লাইড।
আসেনি? আমি তো
না
গ্রুপে
স্যার,
দিয়ে দিলাম যে।
চেক করছি আর একবার। স্যার
ইয়েস স্যার, আপনি দিয়ে দিয়েছেন স্যার।
হ্যাঁ,
চলে এসছে এটা? আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ গ্রুপে দিয়েছি। আর
ঠিক আছে
দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও, আগের দিন দিলাম যে। দাঁড়াও
স্যার,
দাঁড়াও দেখছি।
আজকেরটা তো?
একটাই একটাই এর মধ্যেই আছে।
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওটা 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 চলে এসছে, কালকে পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছিলেন আপনি।
গোটা ওর ফুল
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার, আজ চলে এসছে। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, গ্রুপে আছে।
হ্যাঁ তোমার লিঙ্ক লিস্টের পুরোটাই পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ঠিক
আচ্ছা।
আছে,
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
ঠিক আছে তাহলে। আমি বাদ দিইনি কিছু, লিঙ্ক লিস্টে পুরোটাই পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি।
ঠিক আছে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
ওকে। আমি তাহলে আজকের মতো তাহলে গুড নাইট।
গুড নাইট।
প্রবলেম। হুম।